What is up, guys? Back at it with our first video on our new channel for the JTAG / RGH tutorial, and I'm going to show you how to edit your plugins. You could do this on XX menu, but I'm going to be showing you how to do it on your launch.ini connected to neighborhood. So go to launch.ini and you scroll all the way down. It's on the dump file equal. It says sample plugin history. Then you're going to have plugins and brackets. And plugin one always gotta be Expedium. You don't have to have it if you don't want to connect to the neighborhood, but many people have it because it makes sense to have it. But you got Expedium, so you connect it to neighborhood, which is right here. Mine's not connected because I'm actually banned right now, and I don't have KV. And plugin two is gonna be your plugin. So it gotta be in this format. It gotta be capital H, then rest lowercase, DD, colon, backslash, then the name of the plugin. But yeah, plugin 2 is always gonna be a still server. Plugin 3 for me is JRPC2 because it's the updated version of JRPC. And plugin 4 is RPC, updated version XRPC. But the thing about it is that people say XDRPC works the best. It's a combination of both of these files. But XDRPC had froze once. Plugin 5, I put it as XE Cheats, which is an off-host. You use it for bypasses, off-host menus, and on-host mod menus for like Call of Duty Ghosts, MW2, MW3, and stuff like that. But no, I don't think MW3. I think it's a GSC. I don't know. I don't play MW3 like that. Except for like off-host when I'm trying to impersonate somebody. But yeah, you can have anything in plugin 3, 4, and 5, but plugin 2 gotta be the same. Depending, like it's no alternative for these plugins. Then after you get done editing your plugins, go to File and click Save, and then close it. And then now you want to drag it to whatever you got right here in neighborhood to your JTAG. Then go to retail hard drive / HDD or whatever. It's in colons, I think. I mean not colons, parentheses. Then go to launch.ini. You want to drag it to the root, so where it's just a plus sign, not to where it's say like to a certain file. It gotta be on the root of your hard drive. Go to launch.ini, drag it to the root of your hard drive, and then press yes to all if it asks for you to replace it. Then reboot your console. Then there you go. You're gonna have it. The plugins that you just put on. So that's an easy tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want next, and I'll be sure to make another video. Thank you. Let me know if you enjoyed my first tutorial on this new channel. Thank you for watching.